Environmental technology. Green technology or clean technology is the application of one or more of environmental science, green chemistry, environmental monitoring and electronic devices to monitor, model and conserve the natural environment and resources, and to curb the negative impacts of human involvement. The term is also used to describe sustainable energy generation technologies such as photovoltaics, wind turbines, bioreactors, etc. Sustainable development is the core of environmental technologies. The term environmental technologies is also used to describe a class of electronic devices that can promote sustainable management of resources. Examples: biofiltration, bioreactor, bioremediation, desalination, doubly fed electric machine, energy conservation, energy-saving modules, electric vehicles, wave energy, green computing, hydroelectricity, wind power, wind turbine, hydrogen fuel cell, ocean thermal energy conversion, solar power, photovoltaic, thermal depolymerization, composting toilet, pyrolysis, recycling. Renewable energy. Renewable energy is energy that can be replenished easily. For years we have been using sources like wood, sun, water, etc. for means for producing energy. Energy that can be produced by natural objects like wood, sun, wind, etc. is considered to be renewable. Water purification. Water purification. The whole idea, concept of having dirt, germ, pollution-free water flowing throughout the environment. Many other phenomena lead from this concept of purification of water. Water pollution is the main enemy of this concept, and various campaigns and activists have been organized around the world to help purify water. Air purification. Air purification. Basic and common green plants can be grown indoors to keep air fresh because all plants remove CO2 and convert it into oxygen. The best examples are Dipsis luteolens, Sansevieria trifasciata, and Epipremnumorium. Sewage treatment. Sewage treatment is conceptually similar to water purification. Sewage treatments are very important as they purify water per levels of its pollution. The most polluted water is not used for anything, and the least polluted water is supplied to places where water is used affluently. It may lead to various other concepts of environmental protection, sustainability, etc. Environmental remediation. Environmental remediation is the removal of pollutants or contaminants for the general protection of the environment. This is accomplished by various chemical, biological, and bulk movements. Solid waste management. Solid waste management is the purification, consumption, reuse, disposal and treatment of solid waste that is undertaken by the government or the ruling bodies of a city, town. Egain forecasting. Egain forecasting is a method using forecasting technology to predict the future weather's impact on a building. By adjusting the heat based on the weather forecast, the system eliminates redundant use of heat, thus reducing the energy consumption and the emission of greenhouse gases. Energy conservation. Energy conservation is the utilization of devices that require smaller amounts of energy in order to reduce the consumption of electricity. Reducing the use of electricity causes less fossil fuels to be burned to provide that electricity. Alternative and clean power principles. Green syndicalism. Sustainability. Sustainable design. Sustainable engineering. Scientists continue to search for clean energy alternatives to our current power production methods. Some technologies such as anaerobic digestion produce renewable energy from waste materials. The global reduction of greenhouse gases is dependent on the adoption of energy conservation technologies at industrial level as well as this clean energy generation. That includes using unleaded gasoline, solar energy and alternative fuel vehicles, including plug-in hybrid and hybrid electric vehicles. Since industrial use of energy accounts for 51% of worldwide energy usage, improving energy efficiency in this field is a top priority for environmental technology companies around the globe. Advanced energy-efficient electric motor technology that are cost-effective to encourage their application, such as the brushless wound rotor doubly fed electric machine and energy-saving module, can reduce the amount of carbon dioxide and sulfur dioxide that would otherwise be introduced to the atmosphere if electricity is generated using fossil fuels. Greasestock is an event held yearly in Yorktown Heights, New York, which is one of the largest showcases of environmental technology in the United States. Education courses aimed at developing graduates with specific skills in environmental systems or environmental technology are becoming more common and fall into three broad classes. Environmental engineering or environmental systems courses oriented towards a civil engineering approach in which structures and the landscape are constructed to blend with or protect the environment. Environmental chemistry, sustainable chemistry or environmental chemical engineering course is oriented towards understanding the effects of chemicals in the environment. Such awards can focus on mining processes, pollutants, and commonly also cover biochemical processes. Environmental technology courses oriented towards producing electronic, electrical or electrotechnology graduates capable of developing devices and artifacts able to monitor, measure, model and control environmental impact, including monitoring and managing energy generation from renewable sources, and developing novel energy generation technologies.